Hello everyone, my name is Hashan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's I'm super excited to show you how to create your very own professional portfolio website for entirely free. And the best part is you don't need to have any coding knowledge or previous experience in web design, HTML or CSS. You just only need to know how to drag and drop website elements. So this is the exact portfolio website we are going to design today, and we are going to work through every step together. Please note that this tutorial will have two parts due to the length of the video, and by end of this tutorial I'm pretty sure you will have a sleek mobile responsive portfolio website which can showcase your previous work and previous work you experience in a professional way. But before we jump in, let's talk about why having a personal portfolio website is so crucial, especially in today's professional landscape. It adds incredible value to your career profile, whether you are finding a job or promoting your own service, or maybe personal branding. So, the portfolio website is like having your own virtual business card that showcases your skills and expertise. And for this tutorial, we are going to use the Wix platform, which is a fantastic platform for building website with its easy drag and drop interface. Remember, you can start Wix totally free. Also, please note, if you want to add custom domain like .com or .me, then you will need to upgrade Wix to a paid plan. But for today, let's focus on giving it a try, create something awesome without spending money. So let's get started. The first step is to create a Wix account. As I mentioned, it's free to use, so you don't need to worry about applying for free trial or downloading demo versions. If you already have a Wix account, you can use that. If you don't, please follow my steps. All right, open your browser. I recommend that using a Chrome, and search for Wix on Google. Of course, you can click on the first result and visit the official Wix website landing page. Here they ask what type of website you want to build. I select portfolio and click get started. Okay, now you have to sign up. I use Google sign up because it's easy, but you can go with other sign up options if you prefer. Now they're asking some question to help identify our requirement and set up our account. For this question, I'm creating this website for myself, so I select the first option and click continue. All right, now Wix offer an AI feature to help the build and design the website. But today I know exactly what I'm designing, so I don't need AI help for now. So I select setup without AI. Next, we have to choose the website category. It's already selected, so I click continue. Okay, now the Wix dashboard is preparing. Now we have to give a name to our website. I put my name as a website name. Then we have to select which app we want to install. Actually, we don't need any of them at the moment, and we can install them whenever we want. Click continue and then click continue to the dashboard. Okay, in this section, we can add domains to our Wix website. As mentioned earlier, to add custom domains, you have to have a paid plan. So for this tutorial, I'll continue with the Wix subdomain as it's totally free. But please remember, if you are going to maintain professional website, then you definitely need to have your own domain for the website. Because having subdomain doesn't show professionalism. If you want another tutorial video on how to connect domains to Wix, I will bring it. But today, let's continue with the free Wix subdomain, because today our purpose is to find out if you are able to design portfolio website in Wix. Furthermore, due to the time consideration, I'm not planning to spend time explaining the Wix main dashboard. As today we only need this design site section. Click it and let's jump to the second step of this tutorial. On this page, we have two options. I would like to continue with option 2 because we need to pick a specific template to design our portfolio website. Now we have to find our specific template among these templates. You can see there are a lot of free templates for different website categories. To find our template, use the search bar and type UX and search. UX designer. Well, this is the template we want. Click the edit button to use this template, and now you will be redirected to the Wix web design dashboard. All right, this is the design dashboard. At the beginning, we'll have this pop-up box. It's better to add some details of your professional background, and then Wix can automatically change and personalize the whole dummy content to be more relevant to you. I'm too lazy to type, so I'll quickly jump to my own portfolio website and copy some content. Please note that this is my personal website, so don't confuse it with today's tutorial. Here, I think I can use this content as about me. I'll copy it and paste it into Wix. But for you, you will have to type it yourself. Then click Generate Site Text. All right, we have completed the initial step of the template we picked. Before we jump to the third step, let me briefly explain the design dashboard tools, as it's going to be really important for this tutorial. You can see all the tools located in your left sidebar. The first one is Add Elements. You can use this option to add elements such as text, images, buttons, menus, contacts forms, and social links. Next is Add Section. These elements are pre-designed, so you can add sections such as welcome section, gallery, services, testimonials, and clients. Next is site page menu. This is the option where you can customize your website pages and menus. Next is site design. This is the option where you can change the whole website colors, the fonts, and images. By using this option, you can maintain the same color and font for every part of your website. Next is Wix App Market. This is very similar to the WordPress plugins. We may not use many apps for this tutorial. Next, My Business. This is also something we don't need today. And media, this is the option. This option allows us to upload media to our website. It could be an image, video, or a file. The last option is CMS, and we don't need it today. And you can try this AI assistant tool later. I'm sure you can have fun with that. Oh, this one, the lay option is also important. You can view the whole website structure using the lay option. All right, this is our website editor, and we are about to move to the third step. You can see in the top right side, there is a desktop and mobile editor icons. We are currently in the desktop editor, and when you click on the mobile, it will direct you to the mobile editor. Please remember, we have to edit and design both platforms. The desktop will be our primary editor, so major changes will be automatically applied to the mobile editor, so you don't need to design the mobile view from the scratch. But you can see there are a couple of layout issues on the mobile view. We can fix them later, and I will bring another tutorial as part 2 for the mobile view design. So in this part 1 tutorial video, we will going to finalize and cover our primary desktop design. Okay friends, now I am in the desktop editor. First, let's set up the subdomain so you can use the published view later. To do that, click the save button, select get a free wix.com domain, and type the domain you want to use under the Wix domain. Here it automatically takes the website title, which seems good. So I hit the save and continue button. I'll click published so I can have a better preview. Alright, let me open my previous design, which I already finished. I use this design template as my reference point. Okay, let's start with the website header section. First, I'd like to change the header text and the hero section, but you can see there is a menu bar at the top, which I like to keep for my final edits. Now I'm trying to move the header section a bit to the left corner as per my reference design. Let me add a text. You can click edit text. The font size seems a bit larger. I'll make it 60. Yep, seems fine. Let's move to the subheadings. I'm trying to make the design as exact same as the reference design. Now let's change the background. I'll use this a green color background. Okay, I need an image for the hero section. I have my own photo ready for that. So let's click on the media section and upload the photo to the website. Select the image and click add to page. Well, the image is a bit large. Click on the image and use the crop tool here. Okay, I'm cropping my image. Okay, just above my hand. Okay, seems good. I'll hit the apply and make it a bit larger. Okay, the header section is almost done. Now we have to design the welcome section. Click on this gray box. You can see the outer line is highlighted in blue color. That means the element is selected and you can drag and move the whole element. If you have your own logo image, you can upload it here. Today I don't have one, so I'll use this text to make the welcome title. I'll delete this element. Remember, you can just click and hit the delete button on the keyboard. The title is about me. I'm lazy. Let me copy paste it. And yes, make it horizontal. Oh, now you can see the welcome section is overlapping with the other section. Let's fix it. Select the section below. You can see the light purple arrow button visible. This means you can change the height of the element. Now let's properly align the welcome text. I'll copy the welcome description from my reference template and paste it here. Control V, done. For this button, I think it should be green. Click the button and click the design option. Yes, yeah, this is the button. Now let's change the button text to download my portfolio. I think I need to make the text bold. Click the design option, click customize design, then click the text tab, scroll down here, text bold option. Now I want to attach my portfolio file. You can upload your own portfolio file if you have one. I have my portfolio file hosted in Google Drive, so I need to copy the URL. Let me quickly jump to my original website and grab the URL. Okay, going back to the editor, click the button and click the link option. So as I mentioned earlier, you can upload the file or you can use the URL to link the button. I'll use the URL, so I select the web address option. Make sure to use open in new window if you use URL. Alright, download button is successfully linked. Now we need to fix the gray color area. So click this gray color space and drag it down. I think now we have a space for the welcome section. Now we need to move the next section just under the welcome section, but this gray color space seems to be an issue, but I'll delete it soon. Before that, let me add the final touch to make the welcome section look good. Oh, under the subheadings, you can add a button or maybe contact number or maybe social media icons. It's up to you. For me, I like to leave that space empty. Remember, at the beginning, you may feel it's a bit challenging to drag and move these elements and sections. But believe me, when you spend in time and practice these actions more, you will become very familiar with the interface. It's all about the practice. All right, our next section is the professional skill section. I would like to apply the same green background to this section as well. Now it's time to move the entire section. Make sure to click and select the section and then hold your right corner side to move section. Now you will notice your mouse cursor turn into the four-way arrow icon, which means you are able to reposition the entire section. Perfect. The gray color section has been moved down here. We have to delete it. Before that, let's move up this anchor. The anchor tool is something similar to page breaker in Microsoft Word. We have to place anchors for every section break. You will see the reason later. So I place this anchor to separate the welcome section and the skill section. Now it's time to delete this black area. Let me zoom out the screen, then we can have a better look, better view. You can press the keyboard control button and use the mouse to scroll down to zoom out your browser view. Let me delete this section in traditional way. Right click and select delete. Now next section came up just under the skill section. We need to move up all the content in the skill section. Use the keyword shift key to select multiple elements. Press it and click both title and subtitle and make it as a group. This way you can easily move multiple elements. Next, we have to set up percentages bars. This will be a bit of a time consuming task because we have to rename and change the bar size and add percentage values. So now I'll show this part quite fast, but I'm pretty sure you will understand what I'm doing. Okay. Just duplicate the bar element if you want to add more skills to the section and rename them based on your actual skill you have. Yeah, these all are related to digital marketing field, so you have to write your own skills. Okay, let me resize the title text. We can make this subhead a bit smaller. Since there is a blank space at the bottom, so we can reduce the bottom section height. Done. Moving to the next step, here we have the portfolio section, but as you remember, I already attached my personal portfolio document to the welcome section. So in this case, for me, I don't need another portfolio section to display on my website, and I'm gonna delete this section. But if you prefer to have this section, you can keep it. Maybe if you have some project images or designs, then you can add these images to this section. It's all up to you. All right. I just simply delete all the elements in this section. Now we have move up the experience section just under the skill section. Same as earlier, we have to we have empty gray section between these two sections, so we need to remove it. Just click the right side of the experience section, make sure your mouse cursor is in the four-way state, and now drag and drop. It didn't work. Let me check. Actually, I'm just trying to remove the hidden section between these two sections. Yes, now we have the gap. Let's make it bigger. And I'll move up this anchor. Okay, let's try it again to drag and drop. Perfect, it worked. A black section has been moved under the experience section. We have an experience anchor here. Let's move to the top of the experience section. Also, we have a portfolio anchor. As we don't have the section, we can delete it. Let's make the browser zoom out for better view. We have a large black area. Just click it and delete it. Now you can see the last contact section has moved to just under the experience section. Now we can design the experience section. Let's move up the title. Now let's make it align properly. We can make this green vertical line a bit lengthier. Seems milestone dot is missing on the bottom element. Let's duplicate the green dot and place it on it. Now I need to move the entire career path graph element just under the title. Zoom out the page screen so we can easily select the entire element group. Click one element and then select all elements using the mouse selector. Make them as a group so you can easily move the section. Looks good. And make sure to ungroup the career path element because we have to edit the text inside those elements. Please note, I'm not gonna change all experience dummy text. I'll show you how to edit the first two experience, then you can follow the same steps for rest of the experience text box. Okay, let's copy the text from the reference template, but for you, you can type your own experience. To edit the next experience, I'll show you how to use the quick edit option. You can see the quick edit option in the right corner side. Click this small pencil icon. It will open up a new toolbar on the right sidebar to bulk edit text content. Just scroll down to the experience section content. Here, when we edit the text box, it will show in the live preview screen in the center. I'll change the duration. Okay, I'll copy paste this. In this way, you can add your experience as much as you can. Also, you can use the quick editor to fill the rest of the experience. Okay, I have entered the first two experience. As I mentioned, you can follow the same steps to fill in the rest of the experience. Now let me make this section look nice. Place the anchor tool between sections. All seems good. Oh, we need to add a button under the graph. Go to the add elements and select button. This one. Change the text. View my CV. Remember, you can always add any button or text as you prefer. In this tutorial, I just do exact same thing as my reference template. You can link a file or add URL to this button. I think we all know how to do it. Click the link option and you can put URL here, or you can upload the file to the Wix. Alright, now we can finalize the experience section, but seems contact us section is overlapping with the experience section. Let's fix it. I'll make more room to bring down the contact us element box. We need more space. Now we can reduce the height of the experience section. Oh, I forget it. Grab it from the right side corner. Okay, seems fine. Now we have come to the last part of the home page of our website. There is a section element under the contact section. I prefer to delete it. Same as earlier, make a space between section. Grab the contact section on the right side, drag and move just under the experience section. The empty section has been moved to the bottom. Select it and delete it. Okay, time to align everything properly. We don't have an anchor tool. Let's copy paste it from the experience anchor. Wow, it's automatically moved to the exact right place. Rename it as a contact. We can make this title bold. I'll copy the body text from the reference template. I think keeping the email and phone number seems like a good idea. The form seems okay. And we have a social icon section. For the title text, let's duplicate the contact title. It's easy. Okay, now let's make it an exact same look. We can set the social links using this option. You can copy paste relevant social URLs to here. For this one, you may need to your LinkedIn profile URL. Here, I don't have a Tumblr or Twitter profile, so I delete it. You can change the icon order by just by dragging it. But I have a YouTube channel. Let's add it. Currently, we have white color icons, so let's follow the exact theme style. You can filter the icon by color. Scroll down. Here, got it. YouTube icon. You can add the URL here. Well, contact section is done. Now let's design the footer section. Here you can edit the footer text. If you have your own logo, you can add it. I don't have one today, so I use this text element as a logo. Okay, I will put H instead of R. Okay, now I think it's look nice. Now let's go back to the top and change the header menu. Here we can place the logo. I use this text element as logo. This menu is not much visible, so we need to change it. Click it and delete it. Now we can go to the add element option and select menu and anchor. Here's the one I looked for. Well, we need to delete the portfolio tabs in the menu. So go to the side page and menu tool and delete the unnecessary tabs. Let me rename the menu item as section names. Now I'm thinking about adding a blog section to our website. You know, blogging and publishing articles can be a good way to showcase your knowledge to your audience. So if you are planning to write, then it's always a good idea to have a blog section on your portfolio website. For that, you can use the same side page and menu tool. Remember, now we're gonna create a new page, so we need to click add page. There are different type of pages here. I'm looking for a blog page. Here's the one. Now it's installed. These are the dummy posts just for preview. Ignore that. This will disappear when you go to the blog dashboard. Seems we have a new search box element on our header menu. I don't think we need a search option on our website. This is a portfolio website, not a blog or e-commerce website, so we can delete it. First, we can move to the home page. You can select the pages from here. This is the page selector. Now delete it. The menu size is not correct. Let me resize it. All menu items are all caps, so let's rename the block text. I think it's better to move blog section before contact. Usually contact tab is at end of the menu. Now let's check everything is set correctly. Scroll down. And remember, you can add any section to this to the home page. For this tutorial, this is my layout, but you are free to add any additional section from the section tool. For example, you can add another section before the contact page section. For that, go to the section tab and select whatever you want to add. Maybe you can add the testimonial section, maybe the clients you have. Anyway, make sure when you add any section, put a new anchor and add it to the header menu and link with the anchor. Okay, the desktop design is almost done. Now let's have a preview. Click the publish button. Top header menu seems too close to the top edge. We can fix it. And let me check all the menu items link properly with the sections. You can see when you click menu items, it will instantly move to the exact section. It because we put anchor in each section. The blog doesn't need an anchor because it's a separate page. Oh, the contact link doesn't work. I see. I totally forgot to link the contact anchor with the menu item. That's the reason. Let's jump back to the editor. First, we can finish the header menu repositioning. Okay, looks good. Now let's fix the contact link issue. Go to the site page and menu tool, select contact, click three-dot button, select change link, then select section anchor. In the drop-down menu, we can select contact anchor, press down. Okay, now publish and see the preview. Nice, the contact page is linked now. When you click on the blog, you will see that it's empty. If you want to write a blog article, you have to go back to the Wix main dashboard. Currently, we are in the design and editor dashboard, and I don't want to close this design editor. So I'm going to open the Wix main dashboard in a new tab. So just search Wix on the Google and you will land on the main dashboard since you are already signed in. On your left side bar, you will see the blog section. Click it. This is the blog dashboard. Click create a new post. This is the post editor. I hope you all have idea to write a blog, so I'm not gonna cover it today. You can see all the standard blogging tools on the left side bar. I'm pretty sure it will be really easy to write a blog using these tools. Okay, let's go back to the main Wix dashboard. Just to let you know, if you want to create a new website, you can select this tab and create a new one. All right, our website desktop layout is now completed. The next part is mobile layout configuration. So I'll bring the second part of the tutorial on my next video. Before we wrap up today, let's take a quick look at our current mobile view. For that, right click on the website and select inspect. Then click the small toggle device icon. And using this drop down, you can select the device you like to see. I select iPhone 14 Pro Max. Give a refresh. Okay, this is how our website looks on iPhone 14 Pro Max screen. The header looks good, but the welcome text is too long. Oh, skill section is not good, not good. Experience, I don't think it's look nice. Okay, in the next video, I'll show you how to design an attractive and responsive mobile view exactly like this. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated, and I'll bring the second part of the video as soon as possible. And I know this is a very long tutorial, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope it wasn't too boring. The tutorial is so long because I want to everyone understand what I'm saying. I know not everyone has the same tech literacy, so I always keep it as simple as I can. All right, I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.